one.
Way back. Did you ever see
Until it
her,
stopped.
Kim? Kim always had bruises. One time a broken arm.
How do you stop it?
Said she tripped
It'll
over
stop
the
by
stroke.
itself.
Did he ever say
Oh, does it?
Or do you turn it off?
Another man. I didn't believe it.
Oh,
What do you think really happened?
No.
Often killed us, of
It's the
course.
video.
Especially after I saw the black man.
Watching him playing, that's like this.
Black man, white man. He pulled in late at night. We saw the shadowy figure, village with the garbage bags, then drive away. Next day, Kim was gone.
I'm glad you got this. I really am.
Yeah.
It has volume on it, too.
Well, did you investigate Kim Hoffman's
But
disappearance?
when you watch the video, when you watch it, you can hear the sound.
Tootsie, you be nice.
We may not be the almighty NYPD, but we do our job. Someone reports a murder.
Poor Shelby.
You guys are crackpot.
So, yes.
Poor Shelby Dodo.
Yes, they came back to a dawn train.
How do you stop it if you don't want a video no more?
She was out delivering Girl Scout cookies. Man?
Just stop right there?
You're welcome to it.
You don't know. You don't know. You act like you know and you don't know
He
either.
knows everything.